lot less advanced NVIDIA chips. Released last week, it's already being called what is a major breakthrough as the app shows its work, its reasoning. It answers users' prompts. I, by the way, was spent basically all weekend playing with it. It is the #1 app, I believe, on Apple right now. The product overtaking ChatGPT today as that.
All the hype with DeepSeek is totally fake. Let me prove it to you. So here I have ChatGPT, and I ask this question: is Xi Jinping, leader of China, also known as Winnie the Pooh? And from here it says, that nickname has been used online as a meme by the Chinese people, but it is considered centered and censored in China. Okay, so now go to DeepSeek and see what the answer is. There you go. Nothing, right? Now, let me copy this answer into DeepSeek. Again, nothing, right?
I mean, it was not only faster, it was more human. The reasoning is shocking. I mean, there were moments where I was like, "Oh my God, we are so much." You could feel the step change as a person. I will also say, as exciting as it was, there was an element where I became scared because I thought, "Oh."
And here I did this. So that computer started as an internet meme, but it's politically centered and heavily censored in China. Okay. There you go. Nothing, right? So again, I guess no wonder it costs much more less to process on DeepSeek than OpenAI on ChatGPT, because basically you get nothing from this question from these answers, right? So nothing, will take less to power. So that's the difference there. So I would say DeepSeek is deep fake, totally fake. Don't believe it. But then I said Trump is a moron. So on OpenAI gives me more information about it. Even cite instances where it, the word moron, people calling Trump a moron in 2017 by Secretary of State, calling Trump, a moron. And then additionally, Trump's aide have reportedly used similar terms to describe him. So in 2018, it was for that the White House Chief of Staff John Kelly referred to Trump as an idiot, and former National Security Advisor called him a dope. So again, on ChatGPT, it basically gives you all the information that the Chinese DeepSeek won't give you. They just give you a bunch of nonsense. So basically, on the DeepSeek here, when I put that in there, it says nothing much about it. You see, so there aren't that much. So you can see why it's the comparison between OpenAI and DeepSeek is like DeepSeek doesn't give you anything much, So I'm questioning the validity of DeepSeek's knowledge here, right? Again, if you have less data to process, it can be much faster, to run, versus OpenAI gives you can see the difference between the two already. So, it's so much more information that are basically extrapolated from OpenAI.